In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a tool that will make you money while you sleep. It's nearly worldwide available and you just have to follow all the steps in this tutorial to get started. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So the site that will be actually paying us today is called SpyFu.com. This is a site I'm pretty sure none of you have ever heard about before, but believe it or not, can make you a lot of money. Now what this site basically does, it helps other people with either their websites or Google Ads to get more traffic for a small amount of money. The way it accomplishes that is seen right over here. SpyFu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. Search for any domain and see every place they've shown up on Google, every keyword they've brought on Google Ads, and every organic rank and every ad variation in the last 14 years. So as you've seen, this tool essentially spies on more successful competitors and allows people to replicate the success of the said competitors. Hence, the name SpyFu. Now, this may sound a bit complicated and overwhelming at the moment, which is why I urge you to stay with me because we will not be paying this tool first and foremost. And secondly, it's not nearly as complex as it may seem. And in fact, you don't even need to know how website traffic works and what any of these things mean. So it's a very easy strategy, guys. Now there's a lot more to this website that you can read if you want to, guys. But as I said, you don't really need to know anything more apart from the fact that increases traffic to websites and various advertisers on Google. So what you need to do when you come on their homepage is scroll down to the bottom and then click on affiliates right here. Now SpyFu is absolutely fantastic to promote an affiliate, and it's mainly because of this: recurring commissions with 40% payout for life. So let me break down what this means. If someone you referred here keeps paying SpyFu for like a year, that means throughout the entire year you will get 40% of what they pay this website, which is just huge. So you have three very big things about the affiliate program. It pays a lot, it's in recurring commissions, making it the go-to site for someone looking to make money in passive income. And the third thing that makes the recurring commissions that much better, guys, is that people will need this simply because they will be getting a huge profit. Yes, they do pay SpyFu, but they will be getting a huge return of that investment, which will of course encourage them to keep using it for longer periods of time. And actually on this page, you'll see soon enough exactly how many people stop using the tool after they start. I'll get to that in a second. In any case, people sticking around means you will be able to earn money even if you refer a small amount of people to this website. Anyways, if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see more info concerning their affiliate program. So they have a 365-day tracking cookie. What this means is that when you send someone your affiliate link, if they don't sign up via that link right away, that means that if they do so in literally a single year, you will still get paid nonetheless. This is an excellent feature because just as it says here, not every visitor converts right then. So this allows you to earn money even if people you referred to here don't sign up right away. The next thing you can see is that you get paid twice a month, and more importantly, through PayPal or wire transfer. I know that many of you love PayPal, so it's for sure available with this website. Here you can see that this site allows you to earn money in true passive income. And here's exactly what I was saying before. With less than a 4% churn rate, SpyFu customers rarely leave. Your recurring commissions hold real value, so only a mere 4% of people stop using this tool after they have started. This further shows just how much potential this site offers you. Most people you refer here won't stop using it, which is one of the best features of this site's affiliate program. The last thing you can read on this page here are their frequently asked questions, but I won't go over them. To start an affiliate on here, just simply click on start earning every month right over here, create your account, and grab your affiliate link. The last thing I want to show you before we move on to the traffic source, guys, is something I know you will want to know, which is how much money are we taking about here. By the way, you can check this out yourself by clicking on pricing right here, all of which offer the annual and monthly pricing options, with the latter being slightly more expensive. The professional pricing plan is the one most people go for, since it's not too expensive, but also not too cheap. Just think about like this, guys. If you bring 10 people here and they all take the annual professional pricing option, that means you would have paid SpyFu around $7,200, since you get 40%, that is already nearly $3,000 a year for just 10 people. So this site can most definitely make you a lot of money. With that out of the way, let me now show you how you will be getting traffic to that affiliate link. What you need to do is come over to Google, and the first thing you need to do is make sure your ad block is turned off. So Google will show you ads when you search for something. And what you'll need to search for is stuff that will show you ads. So for example, I searched for weight loss and there are quite a few ads popping up, but it doesn't have to be health related. Our goal here is for Google to show us ads so you can search for a product of some sort or whatever. The reason we're doing this is because those advertisers will be our customers. But there are two important factors here. First, don't open up ads that show up on the very first page of Google, but the ones you find on the second or third pages. The second important thing is to not open up the first ad you see, but the third and fourth. Let me elaborate a bit as to why we're doing this. These advertisers are giving Google hundreds of dollars daily, but if they're not on the first page of Google, that means they're losing like 90% of the potential traffic. In turn, this means that they're losing a lot of money. And since they are advertising, we know that they have a decently large budget, and so they will be more than willing to give SpyFu a try in order to make more traffic to their ads. Your goal is to now open up one of the ads, and you now need to find the contact info of those people. So their Instagram page, Facebook page, email address, whatever it may be. For me, I found their social media info at the bottom right here. You'll now contact these people and tell them the benefits of SpyFu. Just go through all of its features and tell them that it's a great investment for them. You will do all of this for all different advertisers you can find, and the majority of them will be willing to give SpyFu a try, guys. I can guarantee you that. However, that is not all I have for you today. In case you don't exactly know what to search for, guys, a site called infinitesuggests.com will be a huge help for you. This will give you keyword suggestions. For those oblivious, a keyword is a word or words people type in when searching for something. And so, if you type in weight loss like I did, then it will show me all of these keywords. And each time I type in one of them, different ads will pop up. And in this fashion, I won't be running out of potential clients ever. And I will easily be able to find many of them and simply repeat the process over and over again and make thousands of dollars passively. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.